Okay, hey people. This is the video that shows you how to post a video in your discussion board. So we'll be doing video submissions for discussions and for possibly some of the activities depending on which class you're in. Okay, if you're watching this video and you're not in Fashion D20, it's okay. I'm just using this class as an example. The process is the same for all of the classes, okay? All right, so let's say you have gotten over to the assignment because you know that you have all these ways on the navigation bar to get over here. You see some stuff that you would normally see because I'm in the instructor's version, but you could either go through the modules, the assignments, or the discussions. Any way, shape, or form, you're over here at the assignment and you have looked at the objectives and the explanation of what you need to do. This video is not in here right now because I'm recording it, but it will be. It will be soon. So you're going to scroll down. You're going to keep scrolling down until you get to this little button that says reply. And this is how you'll submit every discussion board particularly for this video discussion board. You click reply and then a text box pops up. So this little text box pops up, okay? And in this text box, you have some options. If I ever ask you to post an image, it's here. But here I'm going to ask you to record a video. So you have two options on recording a video. You can record it directly into Canvas from your computer, or you can upload media. So I'm going to show you how to do both. But first, I'm going to start with recording, okay? So you go ahead, click that button, the icon, and then it'll get you over here. Go ahead and click this one that says record, and a window will pop up. Okay, the window will pop up. My webcam is already on, so it's ready for me to roll. But if you open it up and you just hit a black screen, just click on your webcam here and your mic. You may have to either activate your webcam or change your webcam. And once you start talking, you'll get this moving sound bar. And for some reason, your sound bar isn't moving. That means that your mic is not activated, okay? So once you're ready to roll, just go ahead and click start recording. So go ahead, click start recording, get a countdown, and hi, it's me, Professor Johnson. So go ahead, follow the prompts. I'm playing along, so you're gonna see my video after you post your video. So go ahead, follow the prompts, record your video. When you think you are done, just go ahead and click finish. If in the midst of you recording it, you can click start over. But in all honesty, this video doesn't have to be perfect. Say what you need to say and keep it pushing. So when you're done talking, just go ahead and click finish. All right. Oh, it actually froze my face when I wasn't looking nutty, because sometimes it freezes me looking completely nutty. And if you like, you can just go ahead and save it without naming it. It will save in this course for you, but I always like to name it something in case I need to go back and find it later in the semester. So go ahead, I'm clicking meet and greet, and it's saving. And then it is loading and loading. All right, there we go. And maybe it's loading. I hope you didn't hear that loud motorcycle I just drove past. All right, and here you are. You're ready to go. Now, if you have recorded it someplace else, if you recorded it on your phone and you want to upload it, you go back to the same place and go record, upload media. Go to the place that it is on your computer. So wherever that is, mine would be here. I would take this video, I would open it. I'm actually not going to upload this video, even though it's only 44 seconds. For some reason, when it comes to my computer, it takes forever to upload. So I'm not going to upload it, but you would do the same process. You would upload it, and then you would hit submit. Sorry, my submit got cut off of the screen capture. So I'm not going to add it, but that's the process, okay? And then you would just go ahead, after your video is in here in the screen, you just go ahead and put post reply. And then when you hit post, it's down here, ready for everyone else to view. Now, part of this assignment is for you to respond to 3 of your classmates. How do you respond to a classmate? You respond to a classmate by going to their video or their discussion post, and you just click the little reply button here. And then what happens? The same thing happens. A little text box pops up. You go through the exact same steps that you did with your initial video, okay? All right, so after you watch this video and you post yours, you will see my icebreaker in there. I'm playing along, and I look forward to having you and seeing you in class and learning all about you in this Let's Talk About It meet and greet